Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a free website. Okay, let's go into the video. Go to the dashboard of your Chrome browser or any browser you are using. It may be Firefox or any other browser you are using. Type InfinityFree. Go to the website. Click it to sign up.
I've already registered for this website. Click on login.
But if you are new to it, you should click on register. Type your email, then password. I will choose my own password. I have read and agreed to the terms. You must choose it and wait for the captcha to load. Then click to verify. Click on sign up. Then go to your Gmail to verify. You have seen they have sent me an email to verify. I will click on verify or copy this link to verify. Then you are now free to create an account. Choose a URL for free. You can click here to create account or click here to create account. You can see you can have 3 InfinityFree accounts. Click here. I will choose InfinityFree for $0. Then click on create now because it is free, but it is less quality compared to that of paid. Let's wait for the captcha to load. It's verifying. Then click to yes, that's already become success. Then you can choose any name you want. The domain extension you can choose free.nf. You can choose this one. You can choose this one.
But I will advise you to choose a domain name, a domain extension with .com because it is preferable.
I will use this one. Super. Let me use super and check availability. Then you can see the domain is available for super.wooze.com. The account username is generated. Then you can enter your own password or leave the password. I will enter my own password now. I've already entered my password. You will select I approved email consent. If also you not approve, you can say I do not approve, but for me I approved. Create the account. Okay, I mean the password contain only letters. Okay, will set and click and create. We are setting up your hosting account. That means they are setting up my account for free, and it is for free. This will take a few minutes. The page will continue automatically. Yes, this is a new dashboard for the account. Okay, let's go. This is my new account. You can see I can manage it from here. Okay, to get this URL to my WordPress website, I will click on Software Plus Installer. You can see it open on new tab. This is the dashboard of Software Plus. Then click on Install. You can install you can install the WordPress. Add your username. You can set your account from here. Set your blog name and site description. Now you can set your admin name. This is the password. I would like to change the password. And I will set the admin name to Oyako. Then continue to install. Now my WordPress website has installed. Click on this to go to the your WordPress administrative dashboard. Now this is all. You can see you have get a domain super.wuse.com. Then you can customize your website as you like.
Get Elementor to customize.
You can see here it shows not secured. Then in the next video we met and I will show you how to get free SSL certificates. Thank you for watching.